Question 12a. In the diagram, PQRS is a circle, PQ is equal to QS, angle SPRO is equal to 26 degrees, and the interior angles of triangle PQS are in the ratio 2:3:3. Calculate Roman figure 1 angle PQRO, Roman figure 2 angle ROPQ, Roman figure 3 angle PROQ. Solution: angle PQRO, that is this entire angle, is equal to angle PQS, that is this angle, plus angle SQRO, that is this angle. Now it follows that angle SQRO is equal to angle SPRO, this angle equal to this angle, that is angles in the same segment. Now to get PQS, you need to visit triangle PQS, and in that triangle the interior angles are given in ratio. So ratio of interior angles in triangle PQS, you have 2:3:3. You know why you have 3 there. Now let me just explain that. Now you were given that PQ is equal to QS. That means triangle PQS is isosceles triangle. So the base angle, this angle, is equal to this angle. So they have the same ratio, 3:3. You see that? So let's get sum of ratio, that is 2 plus 3 plus 3 equal to 8. In triangle SPQ, already the base angles, they are equal, the base angles are equal. Now let's start from angle PQS. So angle PQS, since these two angles are equal, they have the ratio of 3:3. So the remaining angle PQS, its ratio is 2. So PQS is 2 over sum of ratio, that is 8, times total angles in that triangle. So you have 45 degrees. So PSQ is equal to SPQ, and their ratio is 3/8 times 180, and that gives 67.5 degrees. So back to angle PQRO. PQRO is equal to PQS, that is 45 degrees, plus angle SQRO, 26 degrees. And when you add, you have 71 degrees. 71 degrees. Okay, this line is not needed again because it's already stated earlier. Roman figure 2, find angle ROPQ. ROPQ, that is ROPQ. ROPQ, and that is simply, now the entire angle is 67.5, and halfway of it is 26 degrees. So ROPQ, this other angle here, ROPQ, is simply angle SPQ minus angle SPRO, that is 67.5 degrees minus 26 degrees, and you have 41.5 degrees. Roman figure 3, find angle PROQ. PROQ, this angle. We can use the sum of angles in a triangle. This angle is known, this angle is known. If you add the three angles, the sum is 180. You can get this angle PROQ. So you have it in this form. So P arrow Q is equal to 180 minus this angle when transferred minus this when transferred. You have it in this form. If you subtract, you have 67.5 degrees. Question 12b. The coordinates of 2 points P and Q in a plane are 7, 3, 5, S respectively, where S is a real number. If the length PQ is root 29 units, find the value of S. The length PQ can be obtained using this simple formula, that is the distance between 2 points, and PQ is already root 29. Now if you go by the coordinate, 7 is S1, 3 is Y1, 5 is S2, and S is Y2. So if you replace the values with what they stand for in the formula, you have it in this form. So you don't have to square both sides to remove the square root sign. So if you square both sides, you have this remaining. So if you open the bracket here, of course you know 5 minus 7 is minus 2. Minus 2 squared is 4. So if you expand this bracket, you have S squared minus 6S plus 9. What you have here is quadratic equation. So let's move 29 to the right hand side. So you have S squared minus 6S. Now 4 plus 9 is 13. If you move plus 29, it becomes minus 29 equal to 0. So finally you have S squared minus 6S minus 16 equal to 0. To factorize, look for two factors of 16 that the sum is minus 6 in S and the product is minus 16. Such factors must be minus 8 plus 2. Minus 8 plus 2. So you express minus 8 plus 2 in terms of S and replace the middle term minus 6S with them in this form. The purpose is to have 4 terms so that you can factorize by grouping. The first 2 terms have the first group, the last 2 terms, the second group, equal to 0. From the first group, you factor out S, you are left with S minus 8, and the second group, you factor out 2, you are left with S minus 8 as well, equal to 0. Clearly, S minus 8 is common. If you take it out, you have S remaining here, you have plus 2 remaining here, that combine to form the other bracket and you equate to 0. You equate each factor to 0, you have with this form. If you transfer the respective constant terms, that is minus 8 and plus 2, to the right hand side, you have S equal to 8 or S equal to minus 2. Therefore, S is equal to minus 2 or 8 as the value of S.